Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How is everyone? Teacher who I respect and friend who I love, and I am proud of introducing me Firman Septiansyah and my college Ariska Sari, Muhammad Ficky taufiqrohman, Lala alawiyah, Rifqi Shaoqy, Nurul hasni, and Maryani from class K321MNR will show a video about customer handling. Let's see and watch the video.
Good evening. You can choose the drinks and food you want.
Thank you. What is the best selling menu in the restaurant?
We have the best food for you: fried rice and chicken soup for drinks. Of course, sweet tea and mineral water. Which one do you want to order?
A moment please, sir.
Okay, alright.
Guys, what do you want to order?
I want to order chicken soup, for the drink, mineral water, and me.
Thank you. Sam, but for the drink, I want sweet tea. Okay, sir. For chicken soup, mineral water 3 and sweet tea 1.
Alright, please wait for about 7 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you for now. I'm sorry.
Here are all the orders you ordered. This is chicken soup and mineral water. Is there anything you want to order again?
Thank you. That is not one for now. I'm sorry, but this is not our one expected.
Sorry, miss. Is there something wrong with the order?
Yes. Do you still remember what I ordered?
Sorry, miss. And as one sweet tea, right? So it's my fault. I will get you a drink.
Yes, no problem.
Here your drink, miss. I
Thank
hope
you.
you enjoy to eating here.
Thank you. Your restaurant has the best and fastest restaurant.
That is all for the tea, miss. Is there anything else?
Please, no. Thank you.
Okay, enjoy it here.
Sure.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is of our presentation or our video presentation today. Before I close this presentation, let me to give a conclusion. The conclusion is whatever the condition, the customer remain. Whatever the condition, the customer remain a king. And if there are complaints or customer complaint, you should immediately improve the situation so that business service can be improved. Okay, thank you so much for sending of presentation today, and thank you for your nice attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking